Visa gift cards that show already used usually mean the card balance was already spent, the card information was compromised, or the transaction needs to be reviewed by the card issuer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a Visa gift card says it was already used, and what steps to take to recover the remaining balance. Start by checking the card balance using the website or phone number printed on the back of the Visa gift card. This confirms whether the funds are still available, or whether transactions have already been made. If the balance is zero, review the transaction history for the card. The purchase details can show when the card was used, and whether the transaction is familiar. If you do not recognize the transaction, contact the Visa gift card issuer using the customer service information on the back of the card. The company that issued the gift card handles balance issues and transaction reviews. Have your gift card number, purchase receipt, activation information, and any transaction details ready. The issuer may request these details to verify ownership of the card. If you receive the card as a gift, ask the person who purchased it whether they activated or used the card before giving it to you. A Visa gift card balance can only be used once, and cannot be restored by entering the same card details again. If you bought the card from a store, keep your receipt. Proof of purchase can help the issuer investigate whether the card was properly activated or whether there was an issue during purchase. If the card was purchased online, check your order confirmation and seller information. These records can help identify where the card came from and who to contact. Avoid sharing your Visa gift card number, expiration date, or security code online. Someone with access to those details may be able to use the card balance. If the gift card says already used immediately after purchase, contact the retailer where it was bought and the card issuer. Both may need to review the activation and transaction records. To recap, check the card balance, review the transaction history, keep your receipt, and contact the card issuer if you did not authorize the use. Your next step is to call the number on the back of the card before buying a replacement. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other gift card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.